When you spot your crush at school, it can be exciting, but knowing when and where to make your move is important. Before trying to kiss her, make sure to freshen your breath by brushing your teeth or chewing gum. Keep things sweet and respectful, especially in public. A kiss on the cheek, forehead, or hand can be charming. If you're in a relationship, a quick kiss on the lips can be appropriate when passing each other in the halls. For a more private moment, find a secluded spot like under the bleachers or plan a bathroom break together to sneak in a quick kiss. School dances are also a great opportunity for a brief kiss while slow dancing, but keep it short due to chaperones. Lastly, if you're unsure whether she wants to kiss you, don't hesitate to ask in a sweet and straightforward manner.